So, over by this hive, we have a perfect example of what I was talking about yesterday. Oh, look at that. This is something else. That's a wasp eating a dead drone. Because wasps are meat eaters. They like to eat meat. And is it ever chowing down on that bee? Anyway, so over here you can see these are all drones. Dead bees that have look at a whole bunch here. Look. Woo. A whole bunch over there. So those are drones. I suspect those are drones that were expelled from probably this hive. And you can see there's more drones in the grass over here, so they're definitely being expelled. And so the drones would sort of wander over to this concrete block, which even now I can feel is a little bit warm. And so they probably hung out on that block just to stay warm, but froze to death overnight. And so it goes. You get a little meal for all these wasps, or yellow jackets, or whatever you call them.